you want to learn how to create a nested list in Google Documents, this tutorial is for you. So I'm on the Google Documents file right now, and as you can see, the canvas is empty. I'm just going to type, we want to, explain how you can create a nested list. So we need to have a list first. So I want to have a bullet list. Like I explained, just click on this bulleted list, right? And type houses or house, right? And click enter. Once you click enter, the next thing you want to do is, click on your tab on your laptop, click on tab. Then, we can now have White House, right? Then click enter. Blue House, you know, Yellow House, and Green House. This is basically how you create a sub-bullet or a nested list in Google document. You may be wondering, you can also change the style of this nested list. So for you to do that, just come here, click on the drop-down menu here, and you can select, this is the current style it is using. As you can see, you can change it to whatever style you want. Just click here to change. If you want to change to something else as well, you change it however you see fit, right? So it depends on what you actually want. So I'm just going to go back to the default that it was. So this is basically how you create a nested list or a sub list, right, in Google Documents. If you find this tutorial helpful, ensure you subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you.